Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in isometric. So now in this sum, first we will draw vertical and horizontal line and we'll draw 30-30 degree. See, 50 is on the left side of O. So we'll take 50 on left side, height is 35 and width is 25. So we'll mark the distance and we'll complete the box. See this, 50 is on the left side of O, so I will take 50 on the left side. So after completing the box, we'll see how many parts are there. See, there is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part in front view. This part 1 is here, part 2 is here and part 3 is here. So which one is nearer to you? Part 1. So I will draw part 1, which is 50 by 10. So you got this part, 50 by 10. Now how much you have to go behind? See, first I'm assuming that whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. So I'm taking the entire part 1 behind, but I'm drawing the light line. Now I'll see part 2. Part 2 is how much behind? This is 10. See this. So to draw part 2, you need to go 10 behind. So on this line you will take 10. And then you'll go up by 25. This length is how much? 20. Then you go down and you draw a line from here. So this is how you'll get part 2. You can take this thing behind, right? How much you have to go behind? 15. But if you see, there is part 3 also. If you see, part 3 is joining inclined line, right? And that also in top view you can see it is behind extreme part. So I'll take 5 from here. And I can join this to this. Now how much is this? 5. And from here you join to here. So this is how you'll get part 3. I have to take this behind. How much I can go behind? I have to extend line from here. It is 10. 15 minus 5. And then you can join this line. So we are done with part 3. This line will be dark. And these 2 lines will be dark. And this one also. So by this way we have done this isometric sum. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.